Hello guys, this is a new English class and we are going to learn the question. Let's see. Are you flying a plane? Are you flying a plane? ¿Estás volando un avión? O sea, esta pregunta la usamos en el momento que alguien está haciendo algo. Are you flying a plane? ¿Y cómo la contestamos? Veamos. No, I'm not. O yes, I am. No, I'm not. Or yes, I am. Let's see. Here we have other question. Is she riding a horse? ¿Está montando un caballo? Is she riding a horse in this moment? Let's see. Yes, she is. Tenemos la pregunta, is she riding a horse? ¿Está montando un caballo? Y la respuesta es yes, she is. Next question is he cooking? Nos referimos a ahorita, en este momento que estamos hablando. Is he cooking? The answer is no, he isn't. No, he isn't. Let's see. Here we have. Are you driving a car? In this moment, are you driving a car? Okay, what is the answer? Yes, I am. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, repeat the question. Are you driving a car? Yes, I am. Oh, no, I'm not. Next question is she sailing a boat? The answer will be yes, she is, and no, she is not, or no, she isn't. Is she sailing a boat? Okay, pay attention here. Is she? She is. Is she? She is. Al revés, lo contrario. Yes, she is. Is she sailing a boat? Yes, she is. Estamos hablando de ella y en este momento está en un bote. Yes, she is. No, she's not. Is she sailing a boat? Yes, she is. No, she's not. Esas son las respuestas. Veamos. Is he flying a helicopter in this moment? Todas las preguntas son para ver si en el momento está haciendo eso. No si puede, no si le gusta, sino si lo está haciendo en este momento. Is he flying a helicopter? Yes, he is. No, he's not. Esas son las respuestas. Ok, chicos, eso es todo. Y ahora es el turno de practicar. Thank you.